Courtney Walsh, born on October 30, 1962, in Kingston, Jamaica, is a cricketing icon whose towering presence and relentless determination defined an era of West Indies dominance. Known for his record-breaking achievements as a fast bowler, Walsh's lifestyle, career, and legacy continue to inspire fans globally. From humble beginnings to becoming a global sports figure, his journey is one of grit and excellence. Don't miss out on more cricket legend stories. Subscribe now for exclusive insights. Raised in Moulins, Kingston, Walsh grew up in a close-knit family, the second of 4 children. His father passed away when he was young, and his mother, Joan, raised the family with support from his uncle, fostering a strong sense of discipline. Walsh's love for cricket blossomed at Excelsior High School, where he honed his skills under coach Roy McLean. His height of 6 feet 6 inches and natural athleticism made him a formidable bowler, earning him a spot at Melbourne Cricket Club, a breeding ground for Jamaican talent. Early struggles with no balls didn't deter him. Instead, they fueled his work ethic. Walsh's international career, spanning 1984 to 2001, is legendary. He debuted against Australia and became a cornerstone of the West Indies pace attack alongside Curtly Ambrose, Malcolm Marshall, and others. Playing 132 test matches, he took 519 wickets at an average of 24.44, becoming the first bowler to surpass 500 test wickets in 2000. In 205 ODIs, he claimed 227 wickets. His partnership with Ambrose was iconic, terrorizing batsmen worldwide. Walsh's defining moment came in 1987, earning the nickname Cuddy for dismantling batting lineups like a sharp knife. He captained the West Indies in 22 tests, showcasing leadership despite a modest win record. His durability, playing through injuries, earned him the tag Ironman. Post-retirement, Walsh transitioned into coaching and commentary, serving as a West Indies selector and mentor. He managed the Jamaica Talawas in the Caribbean Premier League and coached Bangladesh's bowling unit, sharing his expertise. His business ventures include real estate investments in Jamaica, contributing to his estimated net worth of $10 million to $15 million, amassed through cricket, endorsements, and coaching. Walsh's lifestyle remains grounded. He resides in Jamaica, married to Anika, with 3 children, including son Courtney Jr., a budding cricketer. He enjoys golf and stays connected to his roots, often mentoring young players at Melbourne Cricket Club. Walsh's legacy extends beyond numbers. His sportsmanship, humility, and record as the highest West Indian Test wicket-taker cement his status. Awarded the Order of Jamaica in 1998, he's celebrated for elevating the nation's pride. His autobiography, Heart of the Lion, offers a glimpse into his challenges and triumphs. Walsh's story is a testament to perseverance, making him a role model for aspiring cricketers. For more on cricket's greatest, subscribe to our channel. Stay updated on legends like Walsh and their enduring impact on the game. Let's keep the cricket spirit alive.